Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix poor and distorted speaker audio on your Ray-Ban's META Wayfarer. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we want to get them out of the case. This is very important. And now what are we going to do is simply put them off, make sure that we do not touch the glasses. Sorry, the frames and etc. Now we have them right here, and we have the speakers right on the left and on the right side. Now if you notice that they're dirty, you can try and use a soft brush to clean them. So we want to clean them just because when there's an issue with them, then that's one of the most concerning issues, that these grills are just stuck with dirt, debris, and etc. That's why we want to make sure that they're clean all the time. And once we clean them up, I wouldn't recommend using a microfiber cloth for them, but if you don't have anything, then you can try. And what are we going to do next is we're going to adjust the audio settings. So there's not much of them, there's only one setting, to be honest. But here we can go over. Let me quickly click on audio. Here we have adaptive volume. If your volume is distorted, I would recommend turning it on and off to see which what sounds better. And what are we going to do next as a last resort is repair them and check for firmware updates. So to repair them, all you really do is just go over and click on the gear icon, click on the general, click unpair glasses, click unpair, and now you need to go to your Bluetooth settings, click on the device, click forget, and now it's gone. So we're gonna click done, and as you guys can see, here we click on the plus button, select the first ones, and you don't need to put them in the case again. You can just press and hold the capture button, and once you hold it for a couple of seconds, the switch should turn blue. So it somehow works. Sometimes it may be working, and remember to keep on holding. As you guys can see, I finally did it. Now we're gonna click connect, and they are pairing. We're gonna click pair on our phone, and soon we should have our glasses paired. So now as a last resort, what are we gonna do is, let me quickly skip everything here. We're gonna click on the gear icon, click on updates, and click check. Now if your glasses are not up to date, I would recommend just updating them, because they can fix the speaker issues or audio issues. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.